Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I will be decorating my half bath or powder room for spring 2024. And if you watched my previous video, you saw how I decorated my foyer entry using this fireplace box and the large frame that a mirror goes into. So right off of the foyer entry is my half bath. And if some of you that are new to my channel, this floor is a DIY, peel and stick wood look flooring, and I love it. I put it in my foyer entry as well. And if you are interested in this, I'll be sure to leave the link to this peel and stick as well as the video of me putting this down. And then also I put this wallpaper up on my wall and on my ceiling, and that is also a DIY. And I'm referring to the lamp, or it's a shade with beading hanging off of it, crystal beads that I purchased from Amazon. But this is the bathroom that is getting done next for my 2024 spring makeover. So I'm just giving you an overview, and I am excited because I found something on Amazon. I actually saw it on, someone shared it on Instagram, and it's a surround that can go around these pedestal sinks to give you extra storage. And I found a few on Amazon. I was going to purchase it from Home Depot, but I'm so glad I found it on Amazon, and hopefully I'll be doing that this summer. But again, this is just the view. It's not a big bathroom. Just wanted to show you all the area, and we're going to get to decorating it. Again, I may not show myself decorating it. You don't always have to see me because the video is not about me. So I'm going to go ahead and start layering things down, and with the help of YouTube magic, things are just going to pop in place. So if you're interested in seeing how I decorate this bathroom for my spring 2024, then just keep on watching, and I want to thank you all for stopping by. So let me first share with you everything that I'm going to put in the bathroom. I have this rug and these two iron pieces. I'm going to show you a third one. They used to hang on my wall here in the kitchen. This is the middle piece, and the reason why it's the middle piece, the other two have little like arrows on the end, and those are what's going to go in my bathroom. And here they are. You can see the little point there and there. They're going to go in between or go on each side of this picture. This picture and these two pictures here, they were thrifted about 2 or 3 years ago. And I love the, oh, what is that? I don't, Sophia. If I find the spelling of it, I'll put it across the screen. I believe it's pronounced sepia tones, which is still at the neutral tones. So that's what I'm doing. This is going to go in the middle of the wall, and this is going to go on opposite walls. This one is going to go above the toilet side, and this above the cabinet side of the wall. This is a thrifted, this was a lamp. I took it apart, and I just like what it looked like. And it reminded me of a candle, kind of like a candle stand. And that's why I have the candle sticking in the whole part where the electricity part or the little pole part was sitting. You all know what I'm trying to say. And this is that milk tone, I forget, or that milk finish. And I just did not want to do anything with it, but use it as my candlestick holder. And then, of course, you remember these in my living room, my spring living room for 2024. I told you my sister gave me these tissue boxes. I like this to go with this. So these are going to go on the shelves. When I took those white vases off that I turned into one. It left the shelves empty and I was trying to think what to put up there. So the shelf that's in my living room where these were, the basket up there with the greenery in it is enough. So I'm putting these in the bathroom, and I have this little vase here with some baby's breaths, and I believe these are cosmos. This is a very popular flower this year that I hear a lot of people purchasing from Hobby Lobby. And then, of course, my favorite DIY pedestal. These are actually just candlesticks, but on top are urns or vases that I glued to these to make a taller vase. And then my topiary bowls, and I just stuck some baby's breaths. So there's a flow with this. And then this poor little nest, it was in my coffee station, then on my dining table. Now it's going to go in the bathroom because I'm going to sit this in it because I like the way it looks. I love that I can just move things around in my home. And even when I move it, the place that I move it from, you can't even tell it's missing because I have enough sitting in that area. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to start layering this to get my bathroom or my half bath or powder room, whatever you want to call it, decorated for spring 2024. Let's get decorating. I've already cleaned my bathroom and I've done my what I call the hotel stamp. And first thing I'm going to do is hang up the 3 pictures. The big one is going to go there, and then one of the other is going to go on each side. So let's get that hanging up now. Okay, the pictures are hung and I like the way they look up there. Okay, so now I'm going to put the iron pieces. You see the hooks I already have there. Iron pieces that I was telling you about. I like that look. Sconce will look nice up there too, but like I said, I didn't state. The ones that I do have, it would work because they're the ones that I made. Try it because I have crystals on them in the ones that I made for my daughter. They have the crystals on it in the white shade and the poles are black. So let me just put them on and see. You tell me which one you would like. These or the sconces. Let me get the sconces. Okay, there are the sconces. I put the bulbs in it. I had to take the bulb that was in here because I only had 2. I need to purchase some more. They're the LED rechargeable light bulbs that comes with this remote. But tell me what's your favorite, the sconces or the iron wall hangings? I'm kind of on the fence. We'll decorate it with both. I'll do a finish of both with everything in it, and you tell me which one. So let's go ahead and finish decorating. Okay, and there are the tissue box holders, but I'm calling them plant stands, I guess. Plant stands I put up there. Now I'm going to, let's see what I'm going to put up next. I'm going to go ahead and put the wreath and my candle, the lamp turned candlestick here. And then maybe the little flower jar behind the clock. Okay, I like that there. And the little flower behind the clock. Now I'm going to put my 2 little plants that has a topiary balls with the baby's breaths in them. The one that I usually have there, and the one that I usually put right there between the sink and the toilet tank. Okay, this is everything for my 2024 spring bathroom, half bath, powder room makeover. So again, tell me which one you like best with the sconces, and then I'll put up there also with the iron wall decor. But this is everything, very simple, no cost, and I like the way everything turned out. And let me put up the iron sconces so you can make a determination. And let me just turn the lights on first here for that. Let's see what it looks like with the lights off. Okay, now I'm going to put the iron art up there. And there's the look with the iron art. So I think I'm going to leave with the iron art because to me the sconce, the poles for this bathroom, the poles were pretty long, too long, and I just like that everything is above the top of the trim. So I'll probably leave it like this. But that's the look for my 2024 spring makeover for my half bath or my foyer bath. Now, if you liked this video, if you like DIYs, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, please check out my other videos and make a determination if you'd like to be a part of the JRC Restoration Decor and Designs family. And for my faithful viewers and subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you, as I always say, for your viewing support. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.